Ever wonder why our bodies generate so much heat? Let's dive into the fascinating science behind it. Metabolic processes. Our bodies are like busy factories, constantly working. The energy produced during metabolic processes, especially in cells, creates heat as a byproduct. Physical activity. When we move, our muscles work hard, generating even more heat. It's like a natural furnace powering our every step. Digestive system. Even the process of digestion contributes. Breaking down food releases energy, warming us from the inside. Hormones. Hormones play a role too. Stress or excitement triggers adrenaline, elevating our temperature in response. Environmental adaptation. Our bodies are smart, adjusting heat production based on external conditions. Shivering in the cold and sweating in the heat. So, the next time you feel that warmth, remember, it's your body's incredible way of staying active, healthy, and perfectly in balance. Subscribe for more science insights.